Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and learning the Python from the video tutorial series. Today I'm going to tell you that my Python course is live on Udemy with the name of Python for Beginners. So you can go and search for the Python course on the Udemy and register yourself and get the certificate. Why certificate is important? Certificate is important because when you learn something, so certificate recognize that yes, you have completed the course and you know the things. So here one more thing is available. If you are registering for the course within 5 days, so you can avail this course in just rupees 360. To avail this course in rupees 360, you can use the coupon code new launch. Okay, so this new launch coupon code is valid only for the 5 days. Just go and register and get the certificate from the Udemy. In future, if you think that you need any certification onto the Python and you want to avail a discount, then you can drop a message and you can write into the comment box. If any coupon code will be available, definitely I will tell you and you can use that coupon code also. So this time this course is just in rupees 360. Go and avail. Thank you. Bye bye.